লড়াই চলছে ট্যাকটিক্যাল যুদ্ধ সুইজারল্যান্ডের পান সবসময় জাদুনসা ইরিকে উইন পাঠিয়ে দেন সুইডেন 4-2 তারা মাঝ মাঠে ভালো ব্লকিং করেন কিছুটা আক্রমণাত্মক দেখায় তাদের
Welcome to my channel. Today I will going show you how to watch World Cup by software in PC, a laptop, a phone, a tablet. First I will show all of you how to set it up PC, a laptop. If you watch World Cup in PC, a laptop, then you need to download and install first Nox Player. How to install Nox Player? I put a video link in description. You can select video for quality. And you can select 6-mode audio language. Okay, let's go to Nox Player. Now go to Google Play Store and install one VPN. Open one VPN and country, select India and connect. After connect to VPN, install Sonyliv from Google Play Store. Next open Sonyliv software. Wait for you see count and click on play. And click on play. You can select video for quality. And you can select 6-mode audio language. And you can select 6-mode audio language. Thanks for the watching.